here's a new one for me. Had to replace the beautiful trailhawk that I had. So went and picked this up. This is a really nice, really clean, low mileage 1996 Jeep Grand Cherokee ZJ. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's really good shape. Don't mind it's dirty. I need to get it cleaned back out. Been driving it every day. But overall, this is one of the cleanest used vehicles I've bought. I'm really particular about used vehicles, so I try to buy them neat. This is something that is going to need replaced. It is what it is. I want to get some little stuff touched up, like I want to do the paint on this. Same thing with these. Got a little bit of exterior stuff to do. I'm going to do a video on here very shortly. I want to get these old PA stickers off. Yeah, I mean, it's funny, but that needs to go. More stickers on the back. You can see it's dirty. It's been snowing here. Need to replace this because this doesn't actually touch the window. It's like stuck. I don't know. The spring doesn't work. Something's going on with it. But I might just buy one. Replace it. Take this off. Put my business logos on it. May or may not do something with the arrow. I think they glued it on there. I'm not exactly sure. Need to touch up the grill. I was thinking about getting the KCs running, but I think I might just replace them and put a single bar across the front. And then, I mean, as far as the exterior, that's all I really need to do to it. I need to have new headlights. I put LEDs in it already. Done a couple of small things, but not much. So, got a video soon of doing the exterior stuff and going over the whole thing. Taking a look at it.